Alright, and now we know what the generic vehicle architecture is, but what is a NATO generic vehicle architecture? It's simple because NGVA is an extension of a GVA, but with a broader requirements, for example, on unmanned system integration. But the aim is the same, to create a vehicle or military vehicle simpler, faster, cheaper. Alright, so what the NGVA standardize is that it standardizes the overall architecture of the system or architecture approach, power integration, power infrastructure, data infrastructure, terminal crew, software architecture, data model, safety, and verification and validation. Alright, so we understand that for creation of the military vehicle we need the hardware and the software. The vehicle itself, alright, and then the equipment that we put into a vehicle. And this is easy because manufacturers are creating GVA compliant equipment that you can use, and it's like displays, computers, servers, routers, switches, displays. I already said it. So this is the hardware part, and you need the software part, so the applications. And both GVA and NGVA requires to use data distribution service for communication between these applications. And data distribution service as a data bus connects these applications and also promotes the principles of a land open system architecture, which is open, modular, and scalable. Open because DDS is a standard, modular because DDS use publish subscribe communication model, so the data or applications are loosely coupled, and scalable because you can add or remove the applications without affecting the system's function. Alright, so this is NGVA.